What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now in this video, I'm gonna tell you guys the first thing you need to do when you get your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. So the first thing you should do when you get your Harley-Davidson motorcycle is change your pin. Now, I'm gonna show you how to change a pin if you have your key fob present. If you've already lost your Harley-Davidson fob, here are a couple things that you can try that your dealership may have done for you. Number one, look at the VIN number on the left side of your bike down tube. Now, the last 5 digits on that VIN number might be your fob number. Number two, grab your Harley-Davidson owner's manual and head to the back of the booklet. You're gonna see a few cards where a personal identification number is included, and Harley may have filled that out for you. Now, if they didn't, I think your last shot is gonna be to call a dealership and ask if they know what they typically set their pins to when they set up bikes. All right, well, that's enough talk. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on a 2023 Road Glide, as well as a 2016 Dyna Lowrider. And they're a little bit different, so hang out and hope this helps you. All right, first things first, on your bagger, make sure it's in the kill switch is in the off position. Ignition switch on, back to the kill switch. You're gonna cycle it on, off, and then back on. Left turn signal twice, and you're to enter your pin. Now hit your right turn signal, and it'll show you what your pin currently is, and your left turn signal will change those digits. When you've picked which digit you like on the first character, hit your right turn signal and it'll go to the next character. When you're done, just cycle the bike off and you're good to go. Now let's move on to the Dyna. Now this is the 2016 Dyna Lowrider. Starting in the on position, we're gonna go off, on, turn signal twice, enter pin. Now these steps are gonna be exactly the same as it was on the Road Glide. Hit your right indicator and it's gonna show you your password. Your left side is gonna change that password. 1. Keep it simple. 2. Now I'm hitting the right indicator to move over a character. The left indicator to change it. 4. 5. Now it's set, that's exactly what we want. We're gonna turn it off and happy days. All right, I just showed you guys how to change your pin on a 2023 Road Glide and a 2016 Dyna Lowrider. I hope this video was helpful to you. And if it was, please consider subscribing. Anyways, you guys ride safe and we'll see you on the next one.